handmade crochet piece and felt something instantly, something warm, meaningful, almost like it was speaking to you. There's a certain magic when you hold something created stitch by stitch. And today, I want to take you deep into that magic, into the most beautiful and attractive crochet handmade items and the heart that makes them so special. Crochet is so much more than yarn and a hook. It's an art form. It's storytelling. It's patience turned into beauty. And every handmade piece carries a little bit of the maker's soul. Now here's the thing. In today's world of speed, fast fashion, fast decor, fast everything, we sometimes forget what real craftsmanship looks like. We're surrounded by factory-made items designed to be produced quickly and replaced even faster. But handmade crochet pushes back against that. It slows us down. It reminds us of a time when creativity wasn't rushed and love wasn't measured in minutes. Let's talk about the beauty of the items themselves, because crochet can create some of the most breathtaking pieces you'll ever see. Take crochet fashion, for example. A handmade cardigan isn't just a cardigan, it's uniqueness you can wear. No two pieces are ever the same. Every maker has their own tension, their own rhythm, their own way of bringing a pattern to life. And you can feel that when you put it on. The stitches might be soft and airy for a summer top, bold and chunky for a cozy winter sweater, or colorful and nostalgic for a granny square cardigan. The creativity is endless. Crochet bags are another masterpiece. Have you seen how detailed some of them are? From elegant handbags with tight, perfect stitches to boho crossbody bags that make you feel like you're walking through a craft market in a tropical city. Every design feels personal. Handmade bags have character. They're the kind of items people stop you to ask about. And then there's the world of home decor. A crochet blanket thrown over a couch doesn't just warm the room, it transforms it. It adds charm, softness, and personality. These blankets can take weeks to finish, yet they end up becoming heirlooms, something passed down through generations, something that carries the spirit of the person who made it. Decorative pillows, wall hangings, table runners, doilies, crochet gives texture to a space. It creates dimension. It makes a home feel like a home, not just a place filled with things. But if you really want to see pure creativity, look at Amigurumi, those tiny crocheted stuffed animals and characters. These tiny creations take incredible patience and precision. You're working with small hooks, thin yarn, and careful stitching to bring a little creature to life. And when it's done, it's more than cute. It's meaningful. It's the kind of gift that makes someone smile before they even say a word. People make crochet cats, bears, bunnies, dolls, dragons, even tiny food items that look so real you want to bite them. Amigurumi feels like a celebration of imagination, and every piece has a charm you simply can't find in mass-produced toys. Crochet accessories deserve a spotlight too. Handmade earrings, brooches, flowers, hairbands, chokers, these pieces are tiny masterpieces. They might look delicate, but they make a powerful statement. Lightweight, detailed, stylish, and one of a kind. They add flair to any outfit. And let's be honest, wearing something handmade feels different. It feels special. Another area that's become incredibly popular is crochet decor for events. For weddings, baby showers, birthdays, you name it. Crochet flowers that never wilt. Handmade baby shoes and outfits for that perfect newborn photo, table decorations that bring softness and charm to any celebration. These items don't just decorate an event, they create memories, and they stay with people long after the moment has passed. But let's go even deeper into the reason all these items feel so beautiful. What makes crochet so captivating isn't just the finished piece, it's the love behind it. Crochet is slow, and that's the beauty of it. It demands attention, focus, and peace. You can't rush it. You can't skip steps. Every stitch is intentional. Every row represents time, hours that someone chose to spend creating something meaningful. When a crochet artist works on a piece, they're not just following a pattern, they're pouring themselves into it. Their thoughts, their emotions, their creativity, it all gets woven into the fabric. And whether it's a blanket, a top, a toy, or a small accessory, that emotional value becomes part of the final piece. That's why crochet items feel alive. That's why they feel warm, even when they're not blankets or sweaters. They carry the heart of the maker. They carry care. Many of us have memories tied to crochet. A grandmother's blanket, a handmade hat from a friend, a small crochet flower given by someone who wanted to show love in a simple, beautiful way. These pieces stay with us. They're hard to throw away, because to throw them away feels like throwing away a memory. That's what factory-made goods lack: soul. But handmade crochet, it has soul in every single loop. So when we talk about the most beautiful and attractive crochet handmade items, we're not just talking about colorful yarn or perfect stitches. We're talking about craftsmanship, about dedication, about the beauty of slowness in a fast-moving world. We're talking about items that don't just look good, they mean something. Crochet connects people. It connects generations. It connects creativity with comfort. It connects emotion with art. And that's why crochet will always be loved. Not because it's trendy, not because it's cute, but because it carries a kind of beauty that no machine can produce. The beauty of human hands and a loving heart.